A very good morning to all my lovely students. Welcome to the online classes of Montbretia School. I am your social science teacher, Miss Ankita, for class 6. As we have completed our chapter Globes and Map, today I will be doing the objective type questions for this chapter. So please open your social science book and be ready with pencil in your hand. Now let us start with the objective type questions. Let us start with the first one, that is true and false. Now the first one, a sketch is drawn exactly to scale. What do you think? Is it true or false? Obviously it is false because sketch is drawn without any scale, right? It is done with observation rather than an exact measurement, right? So please underline the line exactly to scale and write without any scale, right? Without any scale. Underline this and write above this, without any scale. Okay? Now, second one. A plane is a large scale map. Yes, true. A plane is a large scale drawing because it has the details of an area on the Earth's surface. Okay? Now, third one. The north is shown on the right hand side of a map. What do you think? Is it true or false? Obviously it is false, as north part is shown with the direction with the arrow towards the upward side, right? So underline on the right hand side and write upward side. Okay, write upward. Okay. Now fourth one, the scale of the map helps in measuring the actual distances between various places shown on the map. Yes, true. As a scale helps us in measuring the actual distance when comparing the proportion of the distance between 2 points on the map and actual distance between the same points on the ground. Okay? Now, fifth one. Maps are sometimes drawn without a scale. Yes, it is true. That is, here they are talking about the sketch. Okay? Clear? Now, let us do this second one, that is D. Give a single term for each of the following. Now, we have to give a single term for each of the following. Now, first one. A model of the earth on small size. What do you think? A model of the earth on the small size? Yes, globe. 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 Globe is a small miniature of earth. As our earth is so big, we cannot see the whole of the earth like that only. We live inside that. So globe help us to see our entire earth. Okay? Now seventh one. Lines on the map showing height of places above the sea level. Now, which of the line represents the height of a place above the sea level? It is the contour line. C-O-N-T-O-U-R. Contour line. Clear? Now, a map showing the boundaries of countries and state. Which map shows us the boundaries of countries and state? There are three types of maps, right? That is physical map, political map and thematic map. Now, the boundaries of the countries and states are represented in political map, right? Political map. P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L. Political map. A map on a very large scale. Now, the answer is in the question only. A map on a very large scale is known as large scale map. Clear? Okay. Now, a rough drawing not drawn to scale. Now, When is a rough drawing done without using of scale? Yes, sketch. SKETCH, sketch. Now let us start with multiple choice questions. Now the first one. Which of the following is a true representation of the earth as a whole? Now, which of the following gives us the true representation of the earth as a whole? At once also. Yes, it is globe. A. Now second one. Which of the following is not made to scale? Yes, sketch, that is D. What is shown with the help of contour lines on maps? Yes, the height of places, height. A. Now, 14th one. Which of the following will have the largest scale? Largest scales are basically for small areas, right? For the village and towns. Yes? So the answer will be a city guide map. Okay? As we have learned that largest scale maps are done for small areas like the village or towns. So here it will be a city guide map, that is A. Now 15th. A map showing the boundaries and areas of different countries and states. This we have discussed now only. Yes, a map showing areas of different countries and states will be political map. Okay? Clear? So now we have completed our objectives, and in the very next video I will be starting with the question and answers for all the chapters which are left. Your homework will be that you will read all the objectives at your home and learn it. Okay? Thank you.